Hello, everyone. So this is the second part of discussing was the difference between a GPU and running into multi-thread using CPU. So we have a different um, challenges here. Is for example to remove the Cuda device reset function from Hello CU, then compile it and run it to see what would happen. So at this point, what we can do is take this one off and compile it. We can call that uh, C1 and see what that happen. So as we can see, after that we removed the check reset GPUs, so the whole code didn't work. We only had hello from word CPU that is coming from this line in here. Interesting. Then let's move on to the second challenge. It says replace the function CUDA that this one here and within this then compile running one ahead. Okay, so we want to replace the one before with this expression here and see what happens. There we go, it works uh, again. But after done a research, I've learned that this method can be more effective on doing the cleanup on all the previous functions, but eventually it worked as well. So let's move on to the next challenge. So yeah, we want us to refer to the section hello world GPU, remove device architecture flag from the compiler. So the compiler, we want to compile this one. So we want to compile it this one. See what's going to happen. Let's give it a different name. Okay, let me just. So as we can see, we have a command not found. So by removing um, this the flag of architecture GPUs, that actually won't run is to memorize. And here we have next challenge is a refer to the CUDA online document based on the section CUDA compiler. What suffix does NVC support compilations? So this is I've checked the documentation. I found there is a multiple different way of doing that. That's to memorize. Now the last challenge will be each thread that executes the kernel is given a unique thread ID that is accessible within the kernel through the built-in variable. Modify the kernel function in hello cu with the thread index to left output only with this one. So I've done a research on this one in here and I come up with that code in here. So is this code in here? I can paste it here. So here, um, the change is here, as is mentioned here. Um, so given a unique thread ID that is accessible within the kernel through the built-in thread x variable. So this one in here we basically create a condition on the specific function that is being called by GPUs, and we have a condition that the thread should only if the thread my bad not yeah, the condition is if the thread arrives its fifth times to actually stop. So we can try this one as well. We can give it a challenge 3. Okay, should be an issue here. Actually, I had compiled it before. I can give it a try here. There we go. So here we have a hello world from CPU, and then we have a hello world from GPU thread 5. So according to this one in here, we wanted to get the first one from the CPU, and then we want to print when it arrives to the thread number 5, right? So going back in here, so we've gotten those responses, and here is this condition here. This is where it's been says print only if the thread variable is in the fifth uh, time. And here we print hello world from GPU thread 5. Here it is. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and bye.